Hey everyone, product training specialist Andrew Gallo here from Thermador, and let's take a look at some of those steam programs we offer in that Thermador Steam Oven. If you're new to steam, here at Thermador, we make things a little bit easier for you and give you something known as steam programs. In your Thermador Steam Oven, we give you over 50 pre-programmed meals that you can use to make life a little simpler. The nice thing about steam, a few of the benefits that is it locks in moisture, gives it a really good barrier, lots of flavor retention, and can even be healthier for you. So if you have the Professional series, all you need to do is turn that knob to steam programs. If you have our Masterpiece series, scroll over to menu and then scroll over once again for steam programs. When in steam programs, these are going to be over 50 different items that use steam to help cook. Some of them you can just click and continue, but others you can actually enter in the weight, and going there, it'll show you what pan, what rack, and the placement to put it on. So to walk through a couple easy examples, let's take you throughout your day and go through breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, how about turning 24 regular eggs into 24 hard-boiled eggs? Excellent, right? All you have to do is turn your steam programs to hard-boiled eggs and click continue. And from there, it'll tell me the time, the rack position, and which pan to use. Not an egg person? No problem. You can defrost berries and put them right into your steam oven, perfect for that morning granola and yogurt. For here, we're gonna follow the same process and just scroll right over to berries and click continue. For pizza, instead of putting it in the microwave, let's put it in our steam oven and really bring it back to life. So go into steam programs, select pizza, one slice, and put it directly on the rack. This will kind of rejuvenate your pizza and make it feel like it was just coming out the very first time. What if you just have some basic leftovers, like a meat, a starch, and a veggie? Well, your Thermador Steam Oven is great for reheating, and let's use that reheat function. Because unlike a microwave, where it's just gonna re-cook and maybe make your food really soggy, your Thermador Steam Oven is going to bring it back to life, using that steam and that reheat function. Now, depending on what you put in the oven, stand by in case you want to check on it for your preferred doneness. Normally, all you need is roughly 10 minutes for a simple meal of leftovers. But if you want to learn more, check out our Thermador YouTube channel for more videos on reheating in the steam oven. For dinner, the steam oven is great to use with steam programs when making an entire meal. The great thing is you can cook many different foods without any flavors or aromas mixing. So, for this, you're going to place the food item with the longest cooking time in first and delay the rest until the appropriate cooking time. Now be warned, every time you open the oven, be cautious as steam will escape and you will have to allow for extra reheating time. So let's say you're making broccoli, potatoes, and chicken for dinner. Out of those three items, which one do you think has the longest cooking time? The chicken. So I'm going to use that steam program as my base. So, to make it simple, we're going to go to Steam Programs, and we're going to select chicken portions, and we have 1.5 pounds of chicken. When I click continue, it inserts and tells me it's going to be 48 minutes and 57 seconds to use the broil pan and grid on rack position 4, and that we're going to turn the chicken after 22 minutes. So let's go ahead and put it in. So before starting our chicken program, I was able to check on the time and temperature needed for both broccoli and potatoes. The great thing is they both roughly need the same amount of time and temperature, 15 minutes. So now that the chicken has only 15 minutes left, we're going to insert the potatoes and the broccoli so that they all come out at the exact same time. It's looking good. And as you open the steam oven cavity, be careful because all that excess steam may be exiting just as well. I hope this video gave you guys a little bit more insight of what your Thermador Steam Oven can do for you. So be sure to check out your use and care manual for all your information. Be sure to check out our YouTube page for any additional steam videos, and go to thermador.com to download a free PDF copy of your Thermador Steam Cookbook. So many fun and amazing things you can do right inside here. Now go out there, get cooking, and get steaming.